think baby girl is still sleeping. Let's see.
Yeah, back to Merry Christmas. My little family's back, you already know. We just showing y'all a little intro of this right now. We're gonna switch up for y'all like
Oh, yes, we are gonna have Christmas.
PJs.
Matching
See y'all
PJs.
back. See y'all later, guys. Bye.
Bye, guys. Lenny.
Lenny. Jacob. Angie.
Mommy.
You know, Daddy Swag had to come in. We on here.
We got three daughters. Yes, guys. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
You're gonna see more.
Y'all gonna see us opening gifts in a few.
Guys.
So stay
take it
tuned
easy.
for
Next
it.
one.
And mommy is gonna show y'all a little bit of her little cooking here and there. Okay, guys?
And Daddy.
Christmas gift.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, guys.
Okay, guys. I don't know who just want to open. I think just open the gifts now. Open them all. Go ahead, Jacob. Open them. Open it, open it, open it. Just open it, please. Open it. Just open it before you open this. Open it. Open it. Real quiet. It's okay. Just open it. All right. Can you just open it?
Can I open my other gift?
No. Just open it. Jacob, you like your truck?
Open.
Open it. 3.
You just open your boyfriend.
Okay. Can I see your face? That's what I want to see. Give me your face. Look at me. Oh my goodness. She got her gift. Woo!
Now we go all just run around.
You thought that you never was going to have a hoverboard, huh?
Me and Wesley was talking about it.
Ah, y'all thought y'all never would have a skateboard, huh?
Every day. I'm not gonna ride it. I don't care about no other. And I got my phone and my cards and I got a crossover. Forget the main. I got a gun club. I got a gun.
What?
I got a gun club. I got a gun club. And you got a skateboard. I got this and I got
Oh, right.
and the other one. And this guy's just freaking.
Look at you. You like that truck, huh? Enjoy it.
We are freaking